Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the time the phone will wait before it will automatically answer the call on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. Then in here, tap on the menu key or the option or the more key, and from the pop menu, tap on settings. In the call settings page, go down and tap on answering and ending calls. Next, tap on answer automatically. So tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure you switch it on at the top, and then after that, go down and you can select 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Otherwise, you can choose custom time, and here you can choose the number of seconds that the phone will wait before it will automatically pick up the call. So for example, 7 seconds, and then tap on set. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.